Are you going on a first date soon and feeling nervous about making the right impression? Don't worry, we've got you covered. In this video, we'll be sharing some valuable tips and tricks for first date etiquette. From what to wear to how to behave, we'll cover all the do's and don'ts that will help you make a great impression and increase your chances of success. So whether you're new to dating or just looking to brush up on your skills, sit back, relax, and let us guide you through the world of first date etiquette. Hello and welcome to The Freedom Files, the ultimate destination for anyone looking to break free from the chains of the Matrix. Our channel is dedicated to exploring the ideas and principles that will help you escape the limitations of the status quo and empower you to live a life of freedom and fulfillment. In today's video, we're going to talk about first date etiquette. Going on a first date can be intimidating, but by following some simple do's and don'ts, you can make a great impression and set yourself up for success. Let's get started. Do. Show up on time. There's nothing worse than waiting for someone who's late, especially on a first date. Showing up on time shows that you respect your date's time and that you're reliable. If something unavoidable happens, be sure to communicate with your date and let them know the situation. Don't. Talk only about yourself. It's important to remember that a date is not just about you. It's a chance to get to know another person and build a connection. So, while it's important to share information about yourself, make sure you're also asking questions and actively listening to what your date has to say. Do. Dress appropriately. The way you dress for a first date will depend on the activity or location. You don't want to show up underdressed or overdressed, so do some research beforehand and find out what the dress code is. If you're unsure, it's always better to err on the side of being slightly overdressed. Don't. Be on your phone. When you're on a date, the last thing you want is to be distracted by your phone. Keep it tucked away and focus on the conversation. If you must take a call or respond to a message, excuse yourself and step away from the table. Do. Offer to pay. Offering to pay for your date's meal or drinks is a nice gesture that shows you're thoughtful and generous. However, if they insist on paying their share, let them. It's important to respect their wishes and not make them feel uncomfortable. Don't. Overshare. While it's important to be honest and open with your date, avoid oversharing personal information too early in the relationship. Be mindful of boundaries and save deeper conversations for later on, once you've established a level of trust and intimacy. Do. Compliment your date. Everyone likes to feel appreciated and complimented. A simple compliment can go a long way in making your date feel comfortable and attractive. Be sincere and specific. For example, "That dress looks great on you," or "I love your sense of humor." Don't. Get too physical. Physical touch is an important part of building intimacy, but it's best to take things slow on a first date. Respect your date's boundaries, and don't try to push for physical contact that they're not comfortable with. Remember that consent is key. Do. Follow up after the date. If you had a good time on the date, be sure to follow up afterward. Send a text message or call to say thank you and express your interest in seeing them again. If you're not interested in a second date, be honest but kind in your communication. And there you have it, our do's and don'ts for first date etiquette. By following these simple tips, you can make a great impression and set yourself up for success. Remember to be respectful, genuine, and attentive, and enjoy getting to know someone new. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed it and want to see more content just like this, make sure to subscribe to our channel. We post new videos every day that are focused on personal development and helping you escape from the Matrix. By subscribing and turning on notifications, you'll never miss a new video from us. And if you have any suggestions for topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, be sure to let us know in the comments below. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you next time.